Alright, what we got here is a Audi Q7. It's the crossover SUV 3.6. This video is about showing you all 6 locations of the fuse block. So start with under the hood. Driver's side, fender, under the hood. I took the cover off already. This first half of cover is to expose the fuse, and you can tell it'll come out. And then this big portion cover, it will expose everything, including the relay. It's pretty easy. There's a Torx bolt right here. See, the thing about Audi here, they don't show the chart and location of the fuses, so it's pretty tough to understand what all this are and what do they do, what circuit they're function at. So I kind of quickly show you guys what's this relays and fuses all about. Alright, instead of naming all these fuses, I'm just gonna show a chart on the right side of the screen here, and it's pretty easy while you're looking at the chart and looking at the fuses down here and relay. So the main thing I know is this is the relay for the ECM. This is relay for the fuel pump. 2 relays, main and secondary. And that's all I know. I don't know exactly what these 2 are. Big fuse right here, 60 and 40. Okay, one thing almost forgot. Because of the battery on this vehicle is under the driver's seat. This is where you jump in if you need to jump the battery. This is positive, of course, red. And then body ground, the main body ground is hidden right there. There's a post. That's the main post right there for the body ground. And this is for the power. This goes to the starter, this cable, or a fuse block, I believe. And this big fat cable here is going to the alternator. Okay, let's go inside. Alright, on the inside you can tell there's all big mess on the driver's seat here. I pull out the driver's seat already, took the positive cable, wrap it around, make sure it's not connecting to the post. See, you can tell positive. They use black loom wire on this. That's the original one, but you can tell plus. Battery plus cable going to this integrated module here. And then another cable. If you run underneath the carpet, there's a note. Let's see what this note say. Audi blue. Don't know what that is. There's another terminal down there, and that would be, what is that? A negative. So there's your negative cable. Go down, goes to that post, branch off to this big, going to the back. So that's another block right there. So under the seat again, like I said, this whole thing is your energy management control block. Main fuses. There's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 main fuse right there, and those fuses are fed to the 5 fuse block. So this one 125, 60, 50, and 150, and the last one is 150. So main fuse, check all that, it's all good. And this piece is the main thing. When you get accident, this will trigger to open so that you won't start the engine for safety. Okay, and it's called the battery interrupter igniter. So to test this, positive here, negative here. So if you put power on this system, test light on this side, those are the 2 bolts to take this out. So test light on this side, if the light turns on, means that you have power, means that this piece is closed, and that's what we want. Well, you know, I could probably just bring the test light out just to show you guys. They're grounded to the bottom frame of the seats. I got the booster ready, positive ground right there. Make sure this thing don't touch the body. Secure. So like I said, this is power test. Do the test light, it should light up. See, everywhere you touch the plate will light up. So the test is fuses. You go at the back here. Here's a better view. To test those fuses, you go at the back, touch that silver piece, lights. Good, good, good. Last one, good. And the battery interrupter igniter, that's positive. We're gonna touch the other side, is negative. The light lit up. That means good. Good there, good here. All right. And the main thing on this fuse block is this relay. You can see that relay. This is a power supply relay. It would turn on fuse block under the hood, and it will turn on the fuse block, the driver side fuse block, passenger side fuse block, you're gonna have to test all that fuses, make sure it's good. And another fuse block under the dash, center of the dash, it's right there. There's not much down here, but that's a bunch of relays and main fuses right there. 40 amp. There's what, 3 or 4 in there. And that's the center under the dash fuse block. Right on the back seat here, this is the last fuse block, and a hatch on the passenger side right there. So that's all the 6 fuse block location on this Audi Q7 V6 3.6. Every block, fuse block that I showed you, you see a chart on the side of the screen what all those fuses and relay. And if you need any more info, just message me on the comments below, and I'm happy to help out. And thanks for watching.